Do you think you need a big budget to travel? Think again. Here are four amazing places you can visit for under $1,000, including flights, food, and lodging. Number one, Vietnam. Vietnam is a backpacker's paradise. You can live comfortably on $30 a day, enjoying street food, local transport, and hostels with free breakfast. Number two, Guatemala. Explore ancient ruins and volcanoes in Guatemala for a fraction of the cost of Europe. A 7-day trip can cost less than $800, including airfare. Number three, Albania. A hidden gem in Europe, cheap, safe, and stunning. Enjoy Mediterranean beaches, castles, and hearty local food without breaking the bank. Number four, Turkey. From Istanbul to Cappadocia, Turkey offers rich culture and affordable travel. With the current exchange rate, your dollar goes far. Traveling the world doesn't have to be expensive. Want more budget destination ideas? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications.